Santo Dios bendito.
The heavy rain fell on Thursday, March 10th, in the west of Barquisimeto. It caused material losses in several sectors of the Larense capital. The rain also caused flooding of houses due to the overflow of ravines and bucos that were full of garbage. According to user reports on social networks, the communities that were affected by heavy rainfall are Los Horcones, Santa Isabel, Pueblo Nuevo, La Pistola, La Pena and El Carmen. Users say that the garbage accumulated in the drains and in the streets caused the overflow. Luis Mujica, director of Lara Civil Protection, assured through an audio that this Thursday there was a sudden formation of clouds with electric shocks, rainfall of variable intensity and strong gusts of wind.